Been paddling for about 3.5 hours. Just drinking water, but I didn't bring enough snacks, just one granola bar. So I'm getting pooped. I'm gonna tough it out, man. Where I'm heading, I don't even know what island that is. I haven't pulled up my GPS. Haven't really looked at the maps much. I'm just heading southeast. Pretty glorious, beautiful day. Just also just riding these waves and current to that island. It's working out for me because remember I have no rudder. Whew. Okay, time to keep paddling. Cooling off a little bit. Fairly wavy, as you can see. Easy paddling. Just some Depeche Mode. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, more boarded up windows to these buildings. Which, if I'm not mistaken, you know, before the mid-1990s, people used to live at these lighthouses and take care of them, manually operate them. But the advent of better technology and solar panels, these are self-automated now, which makes them really cool places to explore, tell ya. Alright, I'm gonna land this bad boy on the little section of beach here. A lot of rocky coastline along this little island, and do a bit of exploring. Show you what I find. Alright, ready to do a little exploring with me? Again, it looks like a boathouse that's all boarded up. Ramp that's just been taken over by logs. Let's go take a look. My legs are wobbly. Sitting in that kayak and paddling for, I swear, 5 hours. I love that old lamp post right there. So cool. Man, that's a gorgeous view tonight. Still got a few hours for the sun sets. Not like freaking 15 minutes like last night. That was nuts. That wind was so freaky. Just so intense. Oh wow, walkway. Path, as you can see, but wow, is that overgrown. Alright. Let's head up the walkway together. Ow, ow. Thorns scraping my bare legs. Ow. Oh, ouch. No, gotta get tough about it. Might be able to hear a motorboat in the distance there. There's a few people fishing around this area. Yeah. A lighthouse building. Yeah, there's those fishermen over there. Oh, so cool. Doesn't look like I can get into these buildings. So you know I would if I could. Yeah, just pop the door to that mini lighthouse. That door's unlocked. Somehow I'm going up. I want to see what the view is like. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, it's warm up here. Smells like fresh paint too. It's hot up here. All right, another door. Oh wow, it's open. What's that? Oh, holy shit.
Ready for the zombie apocalypse. Abundance of blackberries for me to be chomping on perhaps later. I'm hungry. Time to head back to my kayak. Grab something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make some craft dinner with some tuna in it. Alright, and there it is. Just gonna give that a taste. I threw some of that garlic Tabasco in there. Ready? Let's see. That Tabasco gives it a little extra punch, like I thought it would. Very good, very good. Alright, time to set up my tent. As you can see, not too long before the sun goes down. That's a beautiful place. Alright, check you guys later. After oatmeal and raisins, that's what I usually have for breakfast. Nothing wrong with a little bit of blackberries. Extra vitamin C for my diet. So it looks like I'm just across from Qualicum, Parksville area. It's kind of waiting for the tide to come in. I really don't want to drag my kayak down those rocks. Oh yeah. Is this all you got? Come on. Some real waves would be nice. It's kid stuff. Got here before the sun sets. Pulling my kayak up now. And as you can tell, it's a nice stretch of beach. And you can see the high tide line here. So I'm set to camp for tonight. It's going to be great. Yeah, there really is nothing better than a sunset. Fire burning. I'm gonna cook up some dinner tonight, which will be rice, some of this delicious stuff, some bannock bread, and I've got myself a little bit of wine left, so I'm savoring that, I tell you. And of course, you might hear it in the background, some burning spear. First thing I said when I got out of my tent today was, holy shit! There's my kayak. And what? There's where the water is, way down there. Alright, looks like I'll be dragging the kayak through that soft kind of muddiness. Alright, show you something else I found. Found this fresh water source. So, use my pot, use a steri pen, sterilize that water, and fill that jug back up. So I got some work ahead of me here. Oh, this plan's gonna work out nicely. See that UV light working in there? Bouncing off that metal? Cool, huh?
Day 2 of fighting the waves and the wind and the currents. Again, I have to concentrate fully. I'm scared to even mount this video camera, but I really wanted some of this footage.
Newcastle Island, you know, around that side is where people are camping. That's a provincial campground. Well, the whole thing I imagine is, but that's the official sites. But screw that, I can't do it, man. Yeah, you might even see a sign there that says no camping, no fires. And you know what I say about that? Fuck that, because I'm setting up right there. $7:16 in the morning, gotta get an early start. Oh wow, that's a pretty cool view. Bit of a cloudy day, as you can see. Third day of paddling some pretty heavy waves out of Nanaimo to get to the well, the south side of Gabriola, and just enjoying some nutrients, part of my breakfast. As you can see, I got the camera set up because I'm going to tackle that passage right there, and I know it's going to be pretty rough. Was the last time I came through, and that was pretty damn calm waters. And it's pretty choppy out here today. I want to show you some of those churning waters over there coming out of the channel. Can you see that? Might be able to hear it. So I'm going to take us through there right now. And let's see how I hold up. Okay, entering into this fast flowing river. I think I even, holy shit, whirlpools. Okay, fuck, brace my knees, and let's do this. Oh, wow. You're not turning me around. Holy fuck, I'm going backwards. No, there's no way. No, I can't even paddle fast enough. No. I'm not tipping this fucker. I'm not tipping this motherfucker. Where are you taking me? That didn't work. Oh well, live and learn, hey? You got a starfish in your mouth, I can see it. Same as you. Chewing on starfish, huh? Who the fuck knew? Put that down. Yeah, you know, look at you. Look at you chomping on that thing. Come on, man. Check it out, Provincial Marine Park, Pirates Cove. Show you something else that's actually pretty cool. Look at that chest. Look at all that stuff in there. Isn't that wild? There's this little plaque thing that says it would be if it would be treasure you're after, then you come to the right place. Feel free to take a bit and leave a bit. That's wild. That's hilarious. That's actually pretty damn cool. Yeah, I had to stop here. Been paddling for hours. So I'm hoping there's some fresh water somewhere nearby. Oh, wow, see how beautiful this is? Welcome to BC. It's just glorious. So awesome. Let's go get some water.
The cult of Brother the 12th. Lured by promises of escaping worldwide destruction and attaining immortality on Earth, many wealthy individuals moved to Hornby Island area during the late 1920s. To become one of the chosen, they turned their fortunes over to Brother the 12th, head of the Aquarian Foundation. Boaters visiting Pirates Cove, then known as the Haven or Gospels Cove, sometimes found their wives drawn into joining the colony by Brother the 12th's compelling charm. Husbands were discarded unless they had money. The colony prevailed 6 years, complete with high priestesses, a house of mystery, impending messiahs, and armed fortifications. The arrival of a mysterious woman named Zura, known as Madame Z, and her bullwhip, a reign of terror began that included beatings and murder. When the police finally closed in, Brother the 12th and Madame Z dynamited their paradise and fled.
One of my last nights of camping. Should be home in a couple days. And I'm heading to that island over there. Sun is relatively setting. So let's keep paddling. Landed safe and sound. It's a tough paddle today. Made it for the sunset. There's the kayak, and it's gonna turn the camera around. Too lazy to get up. I'm gonna set the tent up back there. Again, bullshit signs that say private island, no trespassing, but fuck that, man. Got myself a nice cold kokanee going too. Shit, life's good. Oh, that's a nice way to start the morning though, just a paddle dipping into the water. Oh, nice and calm out. I like this. Not a lot of energy. My hands are sore. Cramped, it feels. Luckily, no nasty headaches on this trip or any serious injuries. Just kind of pulled that tendon in my leg, but that's healed up pretty nicely. No, I think in the distance there, that's Ladysmith. No. Shermanus, it has to be. Shermanus. All I know right now, head southeast. I want to stop in at Crofton, actually. And get some fresh water, and coffee would be nice. Only it's a mint tea. That's just not cutting it right now. Look at that, $1 million sand dollars. Finally a rich man. All right. Leaving Crofton. Had a nice coffee there. And I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna paddle from Crofton and hopefully make my way all the way down Salt Spring Island. Shit, if I can get home today, or like tonight. It'd be nice to have a shower. Sleep in my own bed, I tell you. Alright, let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna paddle like a motherfucker. Oh, I'm getting tired. Now the wind's picked up. I'm fighting winds and a little bit of waves. Go figure. But I just gotta make my way around that bend, across the channel. Make sure I don't get hit by any ferries heading out of Swartz Bay onto Roberts Bay. And I'm done. I just want a hot shower. I'm not quitting till I get it. No more camping. I'm done. Oh, Roberts Bay, I made it. I made it. Safe and sound. And that's my journey. Hope you enjoyed my videos.